How to block a number on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to block a number on WhatsApp. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so do you receive any spam calls or calls from people you don't want to receive calls from through the WhatsApp app? Well, if you do, this is a quick way to show you how to block that phone number. So first, open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and then look at your chats. Then open up the chat with a person who you want to block. Now there's two different ways of doing this. The first way is the easiest way, is down the bottom you can see it says block. So tap on that block and then tap block again and it will block this number. The second way of doing it is tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner and then tap on more and then again tap on block and it will bring you up with the same option. But obviously the quickest way is to tick block at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to block a number on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.